Let's add lemon herb cough syrup to our medicine cabinet this year. It's pretty simple to make. Just add herbs and whole lemon to a mason jar and cover it with honey. I chose mint and sage. Preferably raw honey is used, and then you leave it on your counter to ferment for a week, then in your fridge for about a month. Then you strain it, leaving just the honey, infused with the goodness of the vitamin C from the lemon and the benefits of whatever herbs you choose to put in your lemon and honey cough syrup. You can take spoonfuls as needed if you're feeling sick. You can also add spoonfuls of the infused honey to teas or whatever else you'd like to try and beat cold and flu season this year. Let me know if you try it.